Good morning, friends, and greetings from Pune. As you know, the month of June is drawing to a close, and I wanted to say a big thank you for the amazing response that we have received all through this month for the relaunch of this workbook and the program that goes with it. So, the premise was simple in the beginning, it's still the same. Uh, it allows you to create a foundation of skills that can propel you to professional and personal success as well as fulfillment. The idea is not just to be successful, but to be successful and feel fulfilled, to feel like you're making a difference, and what you do is really part of the larger ecosystem in which you live. So, thank you once again, and please come be part of our Essence of Leadership workshop somewhere on this planet. Take care.